Welcome to Prescott, Arizona.
Prescott National Forest, the land of many uses.
Yeah.
Just
Wow.
epic.
I'm loving this little house.
You want to do the van in those colors?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
We're headed to a hiking shop this morning. The Hike Shack, I think it's called.
The Hike Shack, baby.
Yeah.
That was.
That was a Love Shack. We're just gonna check out what they have, and then we're gonna head out to White Spar Campground, see if we can't snag a spot. So that's the plan this morning. Heading out for a bike ride on the trails here.
I'll show you just a little glimpse of what the single track trails around White Spar Campground look like. They're pretty cool.
Yeah, Pistol and I are gonna go for a walk. It's gonna be a nice warm day, so we're getting this done in the morning. I think we're gonna head to the lake later.
Paddleboard.
Blow up a paddleboard or two. All right.
Yeah.
See ya. Pistol girl, you wanna go for a walkie? All right, let's go. Headed down to Watson Lake now. This is all granite.
That's a lot of kitchen counters.
There's a lot of kitchen counters. So pretty down here.
Time to go paddleboarding.
Back to camp. You had a nice day on the water.
I had a great day. Some awesome mountain biking around here. I don't know how long it would take you to try to ride all the trails. It's like this endless epic single track around here. It's just anyway, it's just great mountain biking. And then we went to the lake, and
We had to keep Pistol out of the water, so her and I hung back, and I worked on a video. Dave went paddleboarding.
I paddleboarded all over. Is it Watson Lake?
Yeah, it
It's
was.
just so cool that the whole lake is granite all the way around it. The water was much lower this year than it was last year, and they're working on the dam.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what they're doing, but anyway, it's like it's a big granite bowl of water,
Yeah.
and it was really cool to paddleboard around. So I took some video with that. And
There's so much to do here. We're having a hard time like figuring out what we want to do.
Pistol didn't have an appointment back in Vegas. I'd probably live here for a while.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, that's what our plan was anyway. We had planned to be here 2 weeks ago if it wasn't for the eye surgery. So
Yeah.
it's all right.
She's doing good. She's pooped. Oh, breeze is kicking up. In the pines. Woo!
It is so nice.
It is so nice. When we're in town, we originally we went by this hiking store. The first day we got into town, and we bought a few things, and one being a backpacking pillow. David had been eyeing them and doing some research, and I'm more of a I like super thin. Like I can use the down jacket
Yeah,
for a pillow.
she can roll up a t-shirt and use it for a pillow.
Sometimes I end up just on the pillowcase. Like I push the pillow out and I sleep on the case.
That's nuts.
I'm a side sleeper, and so I don't like it.
So am I, but I'd like a big pillow.
Actually, I sleep on my stomach too. That's why I don't like it, because I'm on my stomach and my head's to the side. So anyway, so he bought this backpacking pillow. Let me tell you about it. I'm using it right now in my camp chair as a lumbar pillow, because I basically took his pillow over and he had to go back today and buy one.
Sea to Summit Ultralight Arrows. It's like 2.5 ounces ish.
It's stretchy though. It's really interesting. Now I have it only blown up part way because that's how I like to use it, but
I lost my pillow today.
he lost his pillow.
I had a pillow for about 10 minutes.
So we went back by that hiking shack, I think it's called, and he bought a second pillow. But those are going to be awesome. I mean, I'm using it. I had a lumbar pillow for the front seat of this Dodge because it doesn't fit my body very good. It was like a memory foam lumbar pillow. I'm going to toss that. I've been using this.
What's the name of that bike? The hike shop?
Hike shack.
The Hike Shack on Montezuma. Most of the things I saw on there were they were close to the prices you get on Amazon, so
Yeah.
I'd much prefer to buy from local shops if I can.
Absolutely, yeah. So, we don't know. We're just kind of lounging tonight. I did have to stop by a bookstore and get 2 more books because I was out. And I have the Kindle, but I use it sometimes, but I just love a book, you know, a little paperback. So, did that. Back to camp, gonna hang out tonight, and then make a decision in the morning about what's happening.
We have no idea about tomorrow.
We actually switched camp spots. We only had a couple days in that other spot, so we found campsite 8.
Our favorite spot.
Yeah, we got the hammock set up. It's gonna be great. But last night I made some bread dough, got it started. We actually had a viewer in the comments section last time we baked. She gave us a easy bread recipe. I think it was Denise Drake. She said basically just put all the ingredients in a gallon bag and let it proof overnight, which is what we did.
We did too.
It's alive.
It's alive.
And then this morning we're gonna put it in this pan and let it rise again for another hour or so. Dave's gonna go for a run, and then when he comes back, we're gonna bake bread. It's gonna be nice and airy, I think. I see a lot of holes, so it'll lose its air factor. gonna go in. Time for a peek. I smell it. Smells good. Oh, not done, but looks good. Here it comes, here it comes. Give it a thump. Oh yeah, that's done. Ooh. We should let it cool off a little bit longer, but I'm not one for patience. So we got some eggs. We got toast.
She's not one for patience. Never has been, never will be.
Oh my gosh, that looks good. I couldn't decide on this one, so I did honey butter and then butter and jelly. How's the bread? Pretty good.
Make a large loaf of bread, eat entire large loaf of bread.
That's what we're gonna do the rest of the day. Eat bread. How's it going over here?
Going pretty good, actually.
Just got back from a bike ride. Enjoying the hammock.
And a run.
Okay, so our friend Dave that just installed the sumo whoa. Our friend Dave that you guys met in the last video that put the sumo springs on his van. He gave us this light, and it is a motion detected solar powered light that we put four magnets with JB Weld. He attached them, and we're gonna start putting that outside. So I'm gonna test it here. You go inside, I'll test it. Okay, so it's on right now. I don't know how long for it takes to turn off. Wow, it stays on a long time. But these are great. Okay, it just went off. So here I go, walking along. Oh, what? Oh, there's a light. Run, they're gonna see me.
Get out of my campground.
That actually is so bright. They're LED lights. This is great. I think we need one in the back by the bikes and one on the other side.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. And it's great too, like if she has to get up and go potty, we don't have to turn our patio light on. We just...
bugs are coming in.
Okay, bugs are coming in. Gotta go. Okay, anyway, that's great. Oh, good morning. I actually wanted to show you this light in the light of day. Kind of show you what it really looks like.
What's the brand?
Holan? Holan? Or is that a C? I don't know. Like I said, we didn't buy this. Our friend Dave gave us this one. I think he said they come on Amazon in like a 4-pack or something. They're relatively inexpensive, 20 bucks or something for the 4-pack. I can't remember. Yeah. But it was shockingly bright.
Shockingly.
Yeah.
Nice.
As you can
shockingly getting into that bone.
She is. In her little ray of sun. Yeah, we've kind of been packing up camp this morning. We're headed out.
I could stay here for another week. This is a great spot. I mean, completely private all around here, and you can't see it, but there's a trail that goes right up to one of the main mountain biking trails that you can wind up anywhere in Prescott. But I've been hours and seemingly endless miles of epic single track trail just right next to our campground, and
Yeah.
I don't know, it's pretty peaceful here.
So quiet, yeah. It's really nice. But we have one more appointment for the little girl. And then we're footloose and fancy free, headed to Oregon.
Via California, probably.
Could be. Guess you guys
You're
are
the
from-
navigator.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Well,
Turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right.
I'm the navigator, but I don't know where we're going.
That'd be nice to just kind of ramble through some new roads on the way.
Yeah,
Back
totally.
roads.
Yeah,
Take a few weeks.
yep. Agreed. So,
Then we're gonna start thinking about Montana.
yeah. That'll be happening in July, and then after Montana, I think we're going to try and do Colorado.
That's a lot of ahead planning, though.
It is. I mean, that's just kind of a loosey-goosey.
Maybe we'll just spend all of summer in Montana.
We could. Yep. We could do that. Pistol girl! How you doing? Come here. Come here.
I want to go.
Go ahead. She sees us packing. She's ready to roll out.
She does not
wanting-
want to get left behind, like we've ever
Like
left her behind.
I know.
I guess the few times years ago when we left her at a friend's house,
Yeah. Yeah.
she doesn't forget.
No, she's like an
Never forgets.
elephant. Yeah.
You left me once 5 years ago.
It's gonna happen again. Yeah, so we'll catch you guys on the other side, and we'll be heading to Oregon. So, see you over there.
Carry on.
Carry on. Pistol, are you crumbing? Hmm? Good girl. She likes homemade bread.